Hello, how are you? CTS online classes. This is M. Govindu, Faculty of General Science and Science and Technology. Today discuss about general science. Today discuss about general science. That is GS, general science. General science components are three. General science components are three. One is biology. Number two, chemistry. Number three, physics. And number four, well-known important, science and technology. That is S&T. S&T is science and technology. These are four components are present in general science. General science is a major component of the general studies paper. For example, two papers. One is teaching aptitude and reasoning, mathematical aptitude and English, all are general paper. And GS paper, general studies paper components are science and technology, general science, current affairs, national and international movements, national and international relationship, Indian economy, Indian geography, Indian history, Indian polity, Bifurcation Act 2014 Andhra Pradesh. Next one is data interpretation and reasoning and aptitude. These are all components are involved in general studies. General science is a part of the general studies paper. For example, general science, number one, biology, it is a part of general science. Number two, chemistry, it is a part of general science. Next one is physics, it is a part of the general science. And the last and new topic, science and technology, it is ST. For example, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, APPSC, all exams, and TSPSC, Telangana State Public Service Commission, RRB, SI, constable or police constable. Next one is well-known important topic, SI and PC and JL and DL exams. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, all APPSC exams and Telangana State Public Service Commission exams, RRB, SI and Police Constable, JL, DL and PL. JL means Junior Lecturer, DL, Degree College Lecturer, PL, Polytechnical Lecturers. All competitive aspirants, well-known topic is general science. For example, group 1 weightage 30 to 40 marks in general science. Group 1 weightage 30 to 40 marks. GS paper weightage and prelims exam. And group 2 well-known important topics 25 to 30 marks. And group 3 20 to 25 marks. Group 4 20 marks. RRB 30 marks. SI 30 marks. Constable 25 marks. JL, DL, PL 15 to 20 marks. 15 to 20 marks. Group 1 prelims 30 to 40 marks in general science. Mains is entirely different. Compare prelims of the group 1 examination. Next, group 2 minimum average standard 25 to 30 marks. Group 3 20 to 25 marks. Group 4 20 marks. All APPS exams and the Telangana State Public Service Commission exams. Pattern studies RRB 30 marks, SI 30 marks, Police Constable 25 marks, JL, DL, PL average weightage marks 15 to 20 marks. These are the weightage of the general science. For example, general science major component is biology. Biology is a major component of the general science. Today discuss about syllabus for biology. Number one, introduction of biology. Introduction of biology. It is a basic concept of the biology. Number one, introduction of the biology. Number two, nutrition. Number two, nutrition. Chapter 2, nutrition. Average weight of the nutrition is 2 marks. Nutrition weightage 2 marks. Introduction of the biology is a common thing, but nutrition is a well-known important concept. Average weightage of the nutrition chapter minimum 2 marks. Next, third chapter, pathology. Average weightage 2 marks. Pathology means study of diseases is called as pathology. Virus disease, bacteria disease, protozoan disease, and platyhelminthes, nematohelminthes, and protozoan disease, fungal disease. All diseases are involved in pathology. Average weightage of the pathology is only 2 marks. Next one is, fourth one is skeleton of human body. Skeleton of human body. Average weightage is only 1 mark. Skeleton of human body. Average weightage of the skeleton of human body is only 1 mark. Study of anatomy of the body. For example, bones, muscles, joints, all are involved in skeleton. Number of bones, largest bone, hardest bone, and biggest bone, largest muscle, biggest muscle, and smallest muscles. Muscles are striated, non-striated, and cardiac muscles, muscle diseases, and bone diseases. Different types of concepts are involved in skeleton of human body. The average weightage of the skeleton of human body is only 1 mark. Next one is, fifth one is well-known important topic, cell biology. Cell biology. Cell biology. Average weightage is only 1 mark. What is the basic unit of the life is called cell. Formation of cell to give tissue. Tissue is directly converted to system of tissue, and it is directly converted to organ and system of organ and body or life. Next, organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, lysosomes, plastids, and vacuoles, and endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi body. All organelles are involved in biological cells. It is a major concept of the biology. The average weight of the cell biology is only 1 mark. Next one is 6th chapter is well-known chapter, digestive system. Digestive system. Digestive system average weightage is only 1 mark. It is not an important chapter, but average weightage of the digestive system is only 1 mark. Order of digestive system: mouth, buccal cavity, and pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine, large intestine, and rectum, and the final one is anus. It is a order of digestive system. Average weightage of the digestive system is only 1 mark. Next one is 7th chapter, blood circulation. Blood circulation system. Blood circulation system average weight is only 1 mark. It is a well-known important topic. It is a well-known important topic. Name of the chapter is blood circulation system. For example, blood, components of the blood, RBC, WBC, and platelets. Next one is heart and function of the heart and importance of the heart, different functions of the heart. Next one is blood vessels, well-known important arteries and veins, impure blood and purified blood, heart chambers. Well-known important concepts are involved in blood circulation system. Average weightage of the blood circulation system is only 1 mark. Next one is 8th one is well common topic is respiratory system. Respiratory system average weightage is only 1 mark. Respiratory system. The main organ of the respiratory system is lungs. Study of lungs and present affected disease or virus disease. It is a novel coronavirus. It is affected by lungs. Function of the lungs. Respiratory system average weightage is only 1 mark. But common repeated question is newborn baby respiration rate is 32 times per minute. Respiration rate is measured by respirometer. It is well known bit, and the name of the animals and the name of the respiratory organ, types of the respiratory system. It is well known important concept. For example, frog is a amphibian. Name of the respiratory organs are skin, lungs, and gills. Different types of habitat act as different types of organs, respiratory organs. Okay, it is common topic, respiratory system. And the 9th one is reproductive system. Reproductive system average weightage is only 1 mark. It is sexual reproductive, asexual reproductive. Different types of methods are involved in a reproductive system. Average weightage of the reproductive system is only 1 mark. Next one is excretory system. Excretory system average weightage is only 1 mark. The main organ of the excretory system is kidneys. study of kidneys and function of the kidneys and different types of excretory products, urea, ammonia, uric acid and guanine, trimethyl oxide, different types of excretory products are involved in excretory system. Next one is 11th one is nervous system or coordination system. Nervous system or coordination system, average weightage of the nervous system or coordination system is only 1 mark. It is a well-known topic. Nervous system or coordination system, it is a well-known topic. For example, nerve systems are 3 types. One is central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system components are 2. One is brain and spinal cord. Brain components are 3, 4, brain, midbrain and hindbrains. It is a well-known important topic. Name of the topic is nervous system. Average weightage of the nervous system is only 1 mark. Next one is 12th one is common topic is endocrine system. Average weightage of the endocrine system is 1 mark. That is ductless organs. Study of ductless organs is called endocrine system. Endocrine system, father of endocrine system is Thomas Edison. Endocrine glands are pituitary gland and thyroid gland and well-known liver and pancreas and thymus and adrenal glands. All glands are involved in endocrine system. Average weightage of the endocrine system is only 1 mark. Next one, 13th chapter is environment and ecology. Average weightage is only 2 marks. Environment and ecology, average weightage is only 2 marks. It is a well-known important topic about biology and environment ecology. Next one is 14th one is plant physiology. Plant physiology. Number 1, root system. Number 1, root system. Number 2, stem. Number 3, leaf. Number 4, flower. Number 5, fruit. Number 6, seed. Number 7, phytohormones. Plant physiology, root and modifications of the root, stem and modification of the stem, leaf and modification of the leaf, flower and modification of the flowers and functions of the flower, and fruit. It is a part of the plant kingdom. Seed and phytohormones, economical importance of the plants, all are involved in biology. For example, biology is a part of the general science. biology components are different. Almost all average weightage of the biology is 15 marks in a competitive exams, APPSC or TSPSC, and including RRB, Grama, Wadu, Sachivalaya exams. For example, starting introduction of the biology and nutrition, pathology, skeleton of human body and cell biology, digestive system and blood circulation system and respiratory system, reproductive system and excretory system, nervous system or coordination system, endocrine system, environment and ecology, 2 marks, plant physiology, okay, root modifications, stem and stem modifications, leaf and modifications, flower, fruit, seed and phytohormones, and economical importance of the plant kingdom. Economical importance of the plant kingdom. And eighth one is animal and plant kingdoms. Animal and plant kingdom. These all are involved in biology. Today discuss about introduction of the biology. Biology. Bio means life. Logos means study. Biology, bio is life, logos is a study. That is, life study is called as biology. Biology word is derived from Greek. What is biology? Life study is called as biology. Biology word is derived from Greek. Biology is a part of the animals and plants. Animals are life organisms, plants are life organisms. Biology is a part of the animals and plants. Study of animals is called as zoology. Study of animals is called as zoology. Study of plants is called as botany. Zoology and botany both are involved in biology. Zoology and botany, both branches are involved in biology. Study of life is called biology. Study of animals is called as zoo. Zoo is an animal. Study of animals is called zoology. Study of plants is called as botany. For example, biology word is quoted by John Lamarck. Biology word is quoted by John Lamarck. Next one is father of biology Father of biology is Aristotle. Aristotle. Father of biology is Aristotle. Biology word is quoted by Jean Lamarck or Lamarck. Next one is father of biology is Aristotle. Next one, father of zoology also Aristotle. Father of zoology also Aristotle. Father of biology also Aristotle. Father of botany Theophrastus. Father of botany Theophrastus. Father of zoology Aristotle. Father of biology Aristotle. Study of life is called as biology. Biology word is derived from Greek word. Biology word is quoted by Jean Lamarck. Next one is ecology is a similar to biology. Ecology is a similar to biology. Next one is ecology. What is difference between biology and ecology? Study of life is called as biology. Study of life and surroundings. Study of life and surroundings. Study is called as ecology. Ecology is the connectivity in between life and surroundings. Biology is a study of life is called as broad difference in between biology and ecology. Next one is common topic. The structural, functional unit of the biology or life. The structural, functional unit of the life is called as cell. The structural, functional unit of the life is called as cell. Next one is life organisms is made up of living cell. Non-living organisms are made up of non-living cell. Living cell was invented by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Non-living cell was invented by Robert Hooke. Study of cell is called as cytology. Study of cell is called cytology. Micrographia book is written by Robert Hooke. Next one is cells are two types. One is plant cell and the second one is animal cell. Cells are two types. One is plant cell, second one is animal cell. Plant cell is made up of cell wall. Cell wall is involved in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. Number 2, chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in plant cell. Chloroplast absent in animal cell. Number 3, well known. Vacuoles are involved in plant cell. Vacuoles are not involved in animal cell. Number 4, centriole is involved in animal cell but centriole is absent in plant cell. Centriole is present in animal cell, it is absent in plant cell. Okay, cell wall, chloroplast, vacuoles, all are involved in plant cell. Cell wall, chloroplast and vacuoles are not involved in animal cell. Centriole, it is present in animal cell, it is absent in plant cell. It is a well-known common concept of the cell of the biology. Next one is well-known topic. Name of the topic is nutrition. Name of the topic is nutrition. Average weight of the nutrition chapter is only 1 mark. Average weightage of the nutrition chapter is only 1 mark. What is nutrition? Energy sources are nutrients. Study of nutrients is called as trophology. Study of nutrition, study of nutrition is called trophology. Study of nutrition is called as trophology. The main important source of the nutrients are energy sources. Energy is required from food. All are biological molecules, that is biomolecules. For example, nutrients are biomolecules. Number 1 is carbohydrates. Number 1 is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, it is a major component of the nutrients. Number two, proteins. Number two, proteins. It is a bodybuilder and also energy sources. It is a main energy source of the body is called as carbohydrates. The main source of carbohydrates is main food grain organisms. For example, rice, wheat, maize and sorghum vulgare. Proteins is a source of pulses. For example, groundnut, cajanus and Pisum sativum, Dolichos lab, all are source of the proteins. It is a body builders. Number three, lipids. Lipids or fats. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids are fats. These are major component of the nutrition. It is called as macronutrients. What are the macronutrients? CPFs are macronutrients. Macro means major components. Body growth and development depends upon macronutrients and micronutrients. Major component of the nutrients are called as macronutrients. Macronutrients are 3. 1 is carbohydrates, number 2 is proteins, number 3 lipids are fats. Macronutrients are CPF. The ratio of CPF 60:15:25. The type of food is called as balanced diet. Best example is milk. Okay, next fourth one is vitamins. And fifth one is minerals. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids or fats, vitamins and minerals, these all are nutrients. Vitamins vitamins and minerals both are micronutrients. Nutrients are biomolecules. Nutrients are broadly classified two types based on quantity of the nutrients. Major components of the nutrients are called macronutrients. Macronutrients are three. One is C, carbohydrate. Number 2, P, proteins. Number 3, fats. Micronutrients are two. One is vitamins. Number 2 is minerals. Both are micronutrients. Next go to carbohydrates. Carbon and water molecule components are called carbohydrates. Carbo is nothing but is carbon. Hydrate means water. Carbon and water components are called carbohydrates. Next one is organic compounds. Carbohydrates are organic compounds. It is insoluble in cold water, but it is soluble in hot water. It is insoluble in cold water, it is soluble in hot water and concentrated H2SO4. Carbohydrates is a organic compound. What is organic compound? Carbon compounds are called as organic compound. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, 3 elements are present in carbohydrates. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. General formula of the carbohydrate is CnH2nOn. General formula of the carbohydrates is CnH2nOn. Carbohydrates are organic compounds. It is soluble in hot water and concentrated sulfuric acid, but it is insoluble in cold water. Next one is carbohydrates main source is photosynthesis. It is involved in plants only. Carbohydrates main source is photosynthesis. It is involved in only plant kingdom. Photosynthesis. For example, chemical equation of the photosynthesis: when carbon dioxide plus water is given rise to sunlight and chlorophyll, glucose, water and oxygen are obtained. It is skeleton of photosynthesis equation. 6 moles of carbon dioxide and 12 moles of water molecule react in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Glucose plus water and oxygen are obtained. Glucose is a carbohydrate. For example, 6CO2, it is a carbon dioxide. 12H2O, it is a water molecule. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, 3 elements are involved in carbohydrates. Sunlight, it is a factor of the physical factor. and chlorophyll. It is a pigment of the chloroplast. Okay, 6CO2 plus 12H2O, sunlight. C6H12O6. C6H12O6 is a glucose. And 6H2O plus 6O2, oxygen is released from water molecule. Oxygen is released from water molecule in the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis energy conversion is energy conversion is solar energy is directly converted to chemical energy in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Solar or light energy is directly converted to chemical energy. For example, 6 moles of carbon dioxide, 6C and C6, and 6 2s are 12 plus 12 oxygens, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 12, 6 2s are 12, 24. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Next, hydrogens, 12 2s are 24, hydrogens 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. The major component of the photosynthesis, the end product of the photosynthesis is glucose plus water and oxygen. Glucose, water and oxygen. Glucose formula C6H12O6, it is a glucose, it is a example of the carbohydrate, it is a monosaccharide. The n number of glucose is directly converted to polymer form of the glucose. Polymer form of the glucose is called as starch. Glucose is a monomer. N number of glucose in the presence of polymerization reaction to form polymer form of the glucose is called as starch. Starch is a polysaccharide. It is a one type of carbohydrate. The color of starch in the presence of iodine solution is iodine solution is it is well known important bit. The color of iodine solution in the presence of, for example, starch is a polysaccharide. Color of starch in the presence of iodine solution is blue. Iodine solution is blue. Okay, starch is obtained in the presence of photosynthesis. It is involved in only plant kingdom, there is no animal kingdom. Okay, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction. Solar energy is directly converted to chemical energy. Carbon dioxide, water is directly converted to glucose and water and oxygen. Glucose, water and oxygen, these are end product of the photosynthesis reaction. The end product of the photosynthesis, glucose, it is a monomer form of the starch. Color of starch in the presence of iodine solution is blue. Okay. Next one is main food grains are source of carbohydrate. Main food grains are source of carbohydrate. For example, rice. Number 2 is wheat. Rice is a carbohydrate. Wheat also carbohydrate. Yes or no? Carbohydrate. Next one is geomase. Geomase also carbohydrate. And sorghum vulgare, bajra also carbohydrate. Okay. The revolution of food grain organisms is called as green revolution. Green revolution. Okay, the revolution of main food grains are called as green revolution. Father of green revolution, well known important topic. The father of green revolution is Norman Borlaug from Mexico. The father of green revolution is Norman Borlaug. Father of Indian green revolution is M.S. Swaminathan. he is a father of Indian Green Revolution.